Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to get a private server and steal a Brainrot on Roblox without spending Robux. So, let's start this video. First, you need to go to the official Steal a Brainrot game page on Roblox. Once you're there, click on the Servers tab, which is the third option. Normally, to create a private server, you would click on Create Private Server, but for Steal a Brainrot, this costs 79 Robux, which we don't want to spend. Instead, scroll down to the Other Servers section. Here, click on the option that says Number of Players Descending and change it to Ascending. This will show servers with the least number of players, usually ones that have only one person in them. Simply choose one of these servers and join it. Even though it shows 1 out of 8 players, most of the time that person is either away from keyboard or will leave after a few minutes, which means you'll basically have the server to yourself. If the other player doesn't leave or starts playing with you, you can just exit and join another server that has only one player. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.